Now I'm going to discuss about deleting an Excel worksheet. How you can do this. Okay, now this is my Excel sheet and I have a three Excel sheet here. Sheet 2, sheet 1, like this. So if you want to delete this one, you cannot able to get back that one. You can able to do undo. You cannot able to do any undo, get back that one. So be careful. Be careful before deleting any sheet. So because you are not going to back again. Whenever you have to delete something here from your worksheet, so you can you have a you are able to get back there. That's it. This one I have deleted this one, but if when you click on undo, then you get it. But when you delete the sheet in your work Excel file, so you are not able to get that. So be careful. Now I'm going to delete this one. Right click on your mouse and then delete. When you see which one, that means you are not able to get back that when you have deleted successfully that sheet. So now I am going to delete this one because this is an empty Excel sheet. So there is no way. There is no way actually. I'm not able to get back that. So when I click on here, it's no way. I'm going to another Excel file. So there is no way. So be careful before deleting any sheet. Thanks for watching.